I remember sometime in the late 1980s, in the middle of Georgine, Ron Motley predicted that the asbestos litigation was over. In 2000, Bill Nicholson at one point said that asbestos cases were going to peak in 2009, which I guess means now. So if we're at the top of the bell curve in terms of asbestos cases, I guess everyone has a little bit of work to do before they're all over. Okay. I was asked to speak about the ethics of the aggregate settlement, and I said that we're now in stage 3 of the asbestos litigation settlement cycle. The first stage having been where individual serious claims were instituted in the early 70s, late 60s, mid 70s, and then where the non-impaired cases predominated, and now we're in really stage 3 where we're still left with a lot of the non-impaired cases, but the overwhelming majority of the new case filings are malignancy cases. So we all, as lawyers and judges, continue to search for ways to efficiently resolve cases. The problem we have is resolving the backlog of cases while making sure that the malignancy cases in particular get individualized treatment, and how we go about doing that is really, I think, the subject of what we're here to talk about this afternoon. And I think the answer is to combine the lessons that we've learned both in phase 1 and phase 2 of the litigation. A lot of the aspects of the cases still remain similar. You know, we have similar defendants, similar legal theories, similar defenses. You know, the chrysotile, the nice asbestos, the chrysotilites, the bad asbestos. Similar actors. Perry looked pretty good there. I guess he's not here. But the majority of the new case filings are individualized, and that presents its own set of issues. You have a lot of cancer cases with individual damage issues, and the classes of people that are entitled to collect are very different than they were in phase 2 of the litigation. And it's very significant in terms of how we approach resolution of the cases, because in phase 2 of the cases where we were focused on, say, the worker and his wife, that's not what we're dealing with mostly anymore. We're dealing with not only the worker, but the deceased worker's family, grandchildren, and all those issues come into play when we're dealing with the wrongful death laws of the various states.